Ever pondered how technology could revolutionize the financial industry? Welcome to the world of fintech. This isn't just about a new app on your phone or a swanky way to split the dinner bill. No, this is about a seismic shift in the way we handle, seismic shifts of money. Fintech, or financial technology, is the rebellious teen of finance, breaking all the rules and changing the game. It's turning traditional banking on its head, making financial services more accessible, efficient, and dare we say it, enjoyable. Remember the days of queuing up at the bank for hours? Yeah, neither do we. Thanks to fintech, we're witnessing the democratization of finance. It's no longer just the big banks that hold all the power. Now, everyone can have a slice of the financial pie. The Fintech Revolution is here, and it's transforming the way we handle money. Imagine being able to lend or borrow money without a bank. Sounds revolutionary, right? Meet peer-to-peer lending, a successful fintech business model. Let's dive right in. Peer-to-peer lending, or P2P lending as the cool kids say, is pretty much like it sounds. It's a method where individuals can lend and borrow money directly from each other, without the need of a traditional financial institution playing middleman. It's like a digital handshake agreement, but with a lot more security and less sweaty palms. So how does it work? Well, it's pretty simple. You've got a website or an app where borrowers can apply for loans and lenders or investors can choose to fund those loans. The magic happens when the platform matches the borrowers with the lenders. It's kind of like a dating site, but for your wallet. Now, what makes it so attractive? For starters, it can offer lower rates for borrowers and potentially higher returns for lenders. Plus, it's fast, efficient, and let's face it, pretty darn cool. It's like the Uber of lending, shaking up the traditional model and giving the power back to the people. Let's talk examples. Ever heard of Lending Club or Prosper? These are giants in the P2P lending world. They've been around for over a decade, and they've facilitated billions of dollars in loans. That's billions with a B, folks. But it's not just about the big numbers, it's about the opportunity these platforms provide. They've opened up a new avenue for people to get funding for their business ideas, or to invest in others. They've truly democratized lending. Now, it's not all roses and rainbows. Like any financial model, P2P lending has its risks. But the potential rewards and the disruption to traditional lending make it a fascinating area of fintech. Peer-to-peer lending, a simple yet innovative idea, has indeed rewritten the rules of lending. So next time you're thinking of borrowing or lending, maybe skip the bank and give P2P a try. After all, who doesn't love a good revolution? Who needs a human financial advisor when we have robots? Welcome to the era of Robo Advisors. Now take a moment and imagine a world where your financial advisor is not a suit-clad, jargon-spouting individual, but rather an algorithm-driven, data-crunching machine. Sounds like science fiction? Well, it's not. It's the reality of today's fintech landscape, and it's called Robo Advisors. So, what exactly are Robo Advisors? Simply put, they are digital platforms that provide automated, algorithm-driven financial planning services with minimal human intervention. These cyber wizards gather information about your financial situation and future goals through an online survey, and then they use these data to offer advice and automatically invest your assets. One of the main benefits of robo-advisors is their cost-effectiveness. Traditional financial advisors are known to charge hefty fees, while robo-advisors typically cost a fraction of that. They also offer a low entry threshold, making investment advisory services accessible to the masses, not just the affluent few. Moreover, robo-advisors are available 24/7, unlike their human counterparts who need sleep and vacations. And because they're based on algorithms, they can process and analyze huge amounts of data in the blink of an eye, providing precise and personalized financial advice. But don't just take my word for it. Let's look at a real-world example. Betterment, a leader in the robo-advisory field, has seen exponential growth since its inception. It uses advanced algorithms and globally diversified portfolios to provide personalized financial advice, managing billions of dollars for its clients. And it's not alone. Companies like Wealthfront are also making waves in the industry, proving that the robo-advisory model is not just a passing trend but a bona fide game changer. So, whether you're a seasoned investor or just dipping your toes into the financial world, robo-advisors offer a convenient, efficient, and affordable way to manage your investments. They're not just the future of financial planning, they're the present. Robo-advisors, with their efficiency and accuracy, are redefining financial advisory services. If this is what fintech has achieved so far, what does the future hold? Well, it's an exciting time to be watching the financial technology sector. Fintech is poised to continue transforming the financial industry, pushing boundaries and redefining what's possible. One of the key players in this transformation is blockchain. This technology is more than just the backbone of cryptocurrencies. It has the potential to revolutionize everything from payments to contracts. It's like having a notary public in your pocket, only way cooler and less chatty. Artificial intelligence, or AI, is another trend to watch. It's already making waves in robo advisory and fraud detection, and its potential applications in the financial industry are far from exhausted. Imagine a banking experience personalized to your needs, with an AI assistant that knows you better than you know yourself, and doesn't judge your late-night online shopping sprees. The future of fintech holds promise, but it's up to us to shape it. So let's roll up our sleeves and dive into the future, shall we? Inspired by these success stories and want to be part of the fintech revolution? Well, there's no time like the present. The world of fintech is vast and ever-evolving, offering endless opportunities for exploration and innovation. You could dive deeper into the fascinating world of peer-to-peer lending, or perhaps you're intrigued by the concept of Robo Advisors. Why not take it a step further and consider starting your own fintech startup? After all, today's success stories were once just ideas in someone's mind. Or maybe you're more interested in investing in the future of finance. There are countless fintech companies out there, each with their own unique approach and solutions, just waiting for the right investor to help them reach their full potential. So, are you ready to take the plunge? To be part of the change? To disrupt the status quo and to shape the future of finance? Embrace the fintech revolution. Explore, innovate, and make your mark in the world of finance.